This is your 1-minute coder news from the Voice of Custom Coding. Breaking news from Akzo Nobel on another price increase to their products line. A letter dated April 29th states a slew of reasons for an additional price jump of 2 to 4% starting May 24th. Everything from manpower shortages, shipping price jumps, and force majeures by major raw material suppliers were mentioned. The letter stated that Akzo would remain committed to providing the highest level of quality, service, and innovation to its customers while the coatings industry finds some stability. Look for an upcoming episode on this podcast about the topic of current supply chain disruptions. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.